everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I would just do something fun, okay, just for fun. Because the show Singles Inferno Season 3 in particular has been long over, but till this day I still get quite a lot of people coming up to me to tell me that I look like a particular contestant, which is Kim Gyu-Ri on the show. So I thought, let's just try and recreate her look. When I think of Kim Gyu-Ri, right, the scene that pops up in my head is the chicken fighting scene where she's like smiling and looking slightly like creepy and like trying to grab her opponent with a smile on her face. So I thought I would recreate her iconic looks, and I do think she's super pretty, so every time when someone says that, I get quite flattered. Let's start with the base. When I see photos of Kim Gyu-Ri, right, she has very full cheeks, a lot of volume on her cheeks, and her makeup is actually just like a normal Korean girl typically. So she has a bit of like a cat eye that is a bit rounder in the middle and slightly more tapered at the front. Looks like a reverse cat eye. And I think she has like a very iconic mole over here which we will recreate later. So let's get started, shall we? To create volume in my cheeks, I'm gonna be using light concealers. I'm choosing concealers that are like lighter than my usual and just applying it on my cheeks. Actually, my cheeks are quite prominent as well, so maybe that's why people think I look like her. Her nose is also really skinny, so let's work on that. Taking Holika Holika, I'm gonna be contouring. In particular, my nose and hers worlds apart, yo. So I'm just going in. She's got a longer tip compared to the size of her nose. So let's make it more prominent and hide this area, and I'm shading the nostril area. I'm also going to be shading the inner corner of my eyes. Alright. I do think that her makeup is like quite similar to my usual makeup, except for her iconic features like the ones that I just did. For her eye makeup, she likes to go in with like pinkier shades. I think I will use my lipstick. So this is Clio in 08. Apply it at the back of your hand. She applies it all the way out around here as well. She does have very, very distinct double eyelids, so I'm just recreating that by taking this Tube Waterproof Slim Eyeliner. This is in the shade Loji Mute, Rose Mute. And I'm just drawing it above like so. So it looks quite scary now, but let's blend it. For her eyeliner, it's always very sharp. So let's go in with a liquid eyeliner. Hurin Make Super Waterproof Liner. I'm gonna be focusing more on the inner corners. And it goes downwards with a very slight wing. But I think the main part of it is how she opens up her inner corner, like so. So it has like a wing. Okay, she pays a lot of attention to her aegyo, so that's what we're going to be doing as well. Taking a very sharp brush. Her aegyo is slightly like narrow but long, so I'm gonna do that. So I forgot my brow tint. She's got very light brows, so I'm just using concealer. Lighten it on my spoolie. I think I can use a lipstick to try to conceal my brows. And now it's time for her lips. Okay, for this particular fight scene, she was wearing quite a juicy lip, so that's what I'm gonna be putting on as well. Let's go in with this Freshen Central Vegan Lip Balm in the shade 03. Her lips are very thin on the top, so let's just do a little bit of concealing. But it's got like a very, almost like an upturned look. Very prominent Cupid's bow. And very thin lower lip. I look crazy. Taking this matte lipstick and 210 Versatile. This is the Maybelline, I think it's Super Stay. Her skin is mostly matte, so let's powder to set everything in place. Her blush is always this like baby pink shade that she likes to apply around the sides of her cheekbones. So let's do that. I have a really nice baby pink shade from Dear Dahlia. This is their Petal Drop Liquid Blush in Dreamy. Placing it outside around this area. Let's do the lashes. I think her lashes are quite natural, like she doesn't really do much to them. Taking the Holika Lash Correcting Mascara. So this mascara is actually very good for people with very straight and fine Asian lashes. Okay, she has her iconic mole, so let's do that. I'm gonna conceal all of my other moles. This look is complete.